Right now, you are fighting a battle you will always lose. Every second awake, a pressure builds inside your brain. It is the need to sleep. And no matter who you are, no matter how hard you resist, in the end, sleep always wins. But what if you tried to beat it? What if starting now, you simply never let yourself fall asleep again? Let us find out, hour by hour, exactly what happens inside a human being who refuses to ever sleep. The first day feels almost normal. You are tired, a little slow, but you have felt this after a bad night before. Behind the scenes, though, a chemical called adenosine is flooding your brain, and it is the source of your growing exhaustion. Normally, sleep clears it away each night, like a janitor emptying the trash. Awake, the trash just keeps piling up. By 24 hours, your reaction time and judgment are as impaired as if you were legally, dangerously drunk. Your body temperature drops, your focus slips, and tiny lapses begin, moments where your mind simply goes blank. These are microsleeps. For a few seconds, part of your brain falls asleep while your eyes are still wide open. You do not even notice them, which is exactly why exhausted drivers can drift off the road and never see it coming. Push past 36 hours and the damage deepens, your emotions start to swing wildly out of your control. The rational part of your brain goes quiet, while the fear center runs wild, making you anxious, snappish, and raw. Your body floods with stress hormones, your blood pressure climbs, even your immune defenses begin to weaken and fall. At 48 hours, your brain does something desperate. It begins forcing microsleeps on you, harder and more often. The pressure is now so extreme that staying awake feels like drowning, fighting for air against a rising tide. And around 72 hours, the mind begins to break from reality itself. You start to hallucinate. Shadows twist into figures. You hear voices that are not there. You believe things that simply cannot be true. Your brain, starved of the rest it uses to sort truth from noise, simply starts inventing a world of its own. This is the edge of what a human can endure. The record for staying awake is around 11 days, and it nearly broke him. So why does missing something as simple as sleep hurt us this badly? What is sleep actually for? It turns out sleep is when your brain does its most important work, cleaning, repairing, and saving your memories. As you sleep, your brain cells shrink and fluid rushes through, washing out the toxic waste of the day. It is also when memories are moved into long-term storage. Without sleep, what you learn simply slips away. This is why one sleepless night wrecks your focus, and why real rest can feel like a genuine superpower. Now, could you actually die from never sleeping? In humans, pure sleep loss killing you directly is incredibly rare. Long before that, your brain would force you unconscious. It values sleep so much it will override your very will. There is one cruel exception, a rare disease that steals sleep away entirely, and it is, tragically, always fatal. It is the clearest proof we have that sleep is not a luxury or a weakness. It is as vital to you as food and water. So tonight, when sleep comes for you, do not fight it. Let it win. It is the most important thing your brain will do.